Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the base and headset so they won't die mid-reset. Low voltage causes failure. Once charged, power off the headset and remove any wired audio to avoid interference. Next, find the tiny recessed reset pinhole under the left ear cup. You'll need a paperclip or SIM tool. Press and hold gently. This is the initial hardware trigger that clears temporary firmware states. Make sure you hold steadily for the required time. Shaky presses won't register with the internal contact. Now perform the core reset. Press and hold the reset pin for 10 seconds. You'll see the LED change or blink. That signals the bootloader cleared volatile settings. Once still holding, power on the base to force a fresh handshake between headset and base, then release the pin. Make sure the base shows the pairing LED sequence. If so, press the base pairing button and repair your console or PC. This sequence resets connections without overriding stored equalizer or profile files on your device. Finish by verifying, test audio, mic, and charging. Play audio to check left/right balance and latency. If pairing fails, make sure you've tried an alternate USB port and rerun the reset while the base is disconnected, then reconnect. This often clears stubborn handshake errors. Once done, update firmware in Astro Command Center to prevent recurrence. If you still have issues, a full factory restore from the app will wipe headset settings, but typically resolves persistent firmware corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.